So today we're going to do my 5-minute makeup routine. Literally, you need 2 products. If you use blush, that'll be the other product. Otherwise, you literally just need a liner and we're going to use today. To do this in 5 minutes, get out of the house and be done with it. So without even talking a lot still, let's get it done. The sharpen, what we're going to do, number 1 is we're going to fill in the brows. Just very lightly, because again we want it to look like natural, so we don't want to do too much. So I'm just gonna fill in. Oh, it's getting very dark now, but don't worry. Okay, then what I do is I take my finger and just like rub over it to lighten it a bit and make it seem a little more natural. And then the other side. Don't want to make it too thick either, but okay, then don't rub it off. So I'm not saying rub it off. What did I just do? Okay, clean that up and then just slightly go over it. This one went way smoother than the side. Okay, whenever you feel like you're happy with the cousins, they don't have to be sisters, they don't have to be twins. They can be cousins, it's okay. Because this is just for a quick fast, we need to run out of the house type of thing. Same liner. And then we're just gonna do a little, okay, and then smudge that out pretty black. And it may look like I did nothing, but let me show you something, let me tell you something. It does very lightly elevate my eye. Okay, and then on your nose, find the bridge that you want. Can I do this on both sides? Literally just there, and at the bottom, just gonna make a line. That's it. You can take a finger and you're gonna just rub it out. Obviously you don't rub it off, just rub it out a bit on your nose. And then you can take the excess like to the side and up in your eye, like your eye line. I mean, whenever you feel happy with like the shade, because remember you have no concealer on, you have no foundation on, you have nothing on your face besides your skincare stuff and then the liner, and this is quite dark, so but there, your nose is done, and then a quick liner. and then obviously your gloss of choice. I use this at the moment. It's LA Lab lip gloss. This is my new favorite. It's Ruby Frost color. New favorite lip combo, can't lie. And it matches this, so I love it. Just clean up wherever needs cleaning up, and I finally figured out how to use this. So I'm just gonna take a few drops and rub it on nicely. And then same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Literally. Rub it on nicely. Sometimes I just take the excess and I put it on my eyelids, if there is any. With that, try to rub it out as much as possible. Some maybe on the bridge of your nose, whatever, however much. I'm a blush girly, so I love to look a little pink. But yes, rub that all over. And you are done. Donezo. That is the 5-minute, not even 5 minutes, I don't even know how long it took now, but that is the 5-minute makeup routine that'll get you ready out of the house looking cute, and you don't even need to do much. So thank me later.